Hi, welcome to this video. If you have not done it already, like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and also comment on this video and hit the notification button so that you'll be alerted of new videos as I add them to this channel. Today I'm going to talk about scenario summary report, which is a feature within the scenario feature of Excel. Now, using the scenario summary report, you are able to view all your scenario data side by side. If you have not seen the scenario video, I'm going to put the link somewhere near this video in the comment section of this video, so you can view the scenario video first before you view this particular video. So in a scenario feature of Excel, you basically keep multiple sets of data within a single worksheet. So you are only able to view one set at a time. In this worksheet, I have three sets of data. I have the specification for a large table here. I also have the specification for a medium table and a small table, but those two other sets of data are in the background. So what I'm displaying at this moment in time is the large uh, data, the specification for the large table. But sometimes you want to view those three sets of data, in this case, side by side. So using scenarios, by its nature, you can only see one set at a time. But if you do want to see all those data side by side, then you use what we call the scenario summary report. So first I'm going to show you the three scenarios that I have. So that will be on the data menu, what if analysis command, scenario manager. As you can see, I have three sets of scenarios over here. Now, in order to see the three sets of data side by side, all you need to do is just click on the summary button. Right, so where do you get this dialog box again? So I'm going to show you one more time. Click on the data menu, click on the what if analysis command, and click on scenario manager. You will see your scenarios that you have created, and click on the summary button. When you click on the summary button, there is a dialog box that will ask you for the result cell. Now, in this case, the result cell is obviously the result of whatever the raw data is showing, the calculation of whatever the raw data is supposed to give, right? So in this case, it's the total area. So I'm going to click inside this box and click on the total area cell here, which is D3. Okay, so and click OK. So what that will do, it will create a new worksheet, and in that worksheet, let me just enlarge this. Now in that worksheet, it basically shows your three scenarios side by side. The current value is basically what is being displayed on the scenario worksheet when as at creation time of this particular scenario summary report. Now, it's important to also know that this is a standalone dumb worksheet. It does not contain anything special or linked or anything like that. It's basically a standalone static worksheet. So if you would like to change any part of the worksheet, by all means do so. If you would like to change the color, by all means go ahead. If you'd like to delete some columns, by all means go ahead. And if there are any changes to your scenarios, if you have added a fourth scenario, there is no way for you to refresh this particular worksheet. You'll have to regenerate the scenario summary report. This is just a static dumb worksheet. So that's it, folks. Scenario summary report, something that you would use for you to see your scenarios data side by side.